Hey guys, what's up? This is Shan Heather, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up and configure your Honor Watch Magic if you're going to use it for the very first time. So let's start it. So you can pair your Honor Watch Magic smartwatch with any of your Android or iOS device by using Huawei Health application. So once you switch on your Honor Watch Magic smartwatch, you will get this message that you will have to install Huawei Health on your Android device or iOS device to pair it with your smartphone. So if you have a Huawei smartphone or Honor smartphone, you will have the Huawei Health application pre-installed. Just open it, and here you will find this home screen where you can do lots of stuff. So here you will find two options at the top right corner to manually add a smartwatch or fitness band to your device to Huawei Health application, or using the QR code. The QR code you will find is here. You will get this message first on the screen. If you just swipe up, you will get the QR code. I'm going to use the second option to add the device manually. So just tap on plus icon. After that, tap on smartwatch. Here you will find the compatible smartwatches available. So here you can see Honor Watch Magic Dream is there. Tap on this. On the next screen, tap on pair, and then it will show you some messages. Just agree, give the permission, and you can see that Honor Watch is being detected in the list of available devices. So just select the Honor Watch V28, and now you can see that it is asking for the permission to pair my Huawei Honor Magic with Huawei Health application on my P30 Pro. So just tap on this tick here, and you can see that the pairing is successful. Now the screen is changed on my Huawei Health application as well. It is showing the device is paired. Just tap on continue here. To get the notification from your smartphone to your smartwatch, just tap on this slider, and on the next screen it will show you to enable Huawei Health to access your notification. Just tap on screen once, and after that tap on Huawei Health, and then at the bottom you will get once again this confirmation. Tap on allow, and as you can see that Huawei Health application got the notification access now. Go back from here. Now you can select what applications can send notification to your Honor Watch Magic smartwatch. So by default, messages is selected. You can select any of them like calendar, Gmail, Instagram, and a huge list of applications. After that, once you are done with selection of the applications, just tap on done here, and once again it will show you this message that only notification that appear in the notification panel can be sent to your wearable device. So if there is any application and you have selected the privacy option to not show the notification from that particular app in the notification panel, then you won't receive any notification from it to your Honor Watch Magic. So you have to keep this thing in mind as well. After that, just tap on OK, and once again it will ask you to give some permission to make and manage phone calls. Allow, and here we go. So you can see that it is showing that on my Honor Watch Magic 55% battery is remaining. It is connected, and lots of stuff are showing here as well. So you can set the alarm, notifications are enabled, weather reports enabled, Bluetooth disconnection reminder, you can switch it on as well. So whenever there is a disconnection of Bluetooth between these two devices, the smartwatch and the phone, it will give you a reminder. Another option is to raise wrist to wake screen, and this option is not available in DND mode. So what exactly it does is, when you are wearing your Honor Watch Magic and you just want to check the time or whatever notification you are getting, you don't need to press the physical button or touch the screen. You can just raise your wrist and it will detect the motion, and then the screen will turn on. And this is what is happening right now. As you can see, I didn't touch anything. I just moved my hands a bit and it detected the motion and the screen was on. You can also select the wearing preference, whether you would like to go with the left hand or right hand depending on your choice. Then we got some options to update the software of your Honor Watch Magic. And then here is the sedentary reminder that if you are going to sit more than an hour, it will give you a reminder to perform some physical activity, walk and all. Just above it there is another option called Huawei True Sleep, and this is enabled by default. What exactly it does, it monitors your sleeping pattern and the duration of sleep to give you information about how good you are sleeping, and then it will provide you some suggestion how to improve it. So this is by default enabled as well. And then there is the option to continuous heart rate monitoring. This is one of the feature of Honor Watch Magic, and you can enable or disable depending on your choice. So by default it is enabled, and there is another option inside this setting about the high heart rate alert. So if you are doing any physical activity or something and your heart rate is increased for more than 10 minutes, then Huawei Watch Magic will consider it as a warning, and then it will send you an alert about it to relax yourself or get some medication or expert help. By default this is disabled. You can enable it if you want, and you can also select what will be the maximum high rate of your heartbeat from 100 to 150. You got the options, so it's totally up to you depending on your lifestyle and your health, how much heart rate you consider as normal or abnormal. So these are the options and settings that we got in Huawei Health application for the Honor Watch Magic. And now let's talk about the settings and options available on the device itself. So you can change the watch faces. You just need to press and hold on the screen, and then you will get the option to change the watch face. You can just slide from left to right and you will get lots of watch faces. You can select any of them depending on your choice. This one for example, and this is my watch face now. And if you press the physical button once, here you will get all of these options that you can use on your Honor Watch Magic. So if you go to the settings, once again you will see lots of options like display, how you can customize the display, whether you would like to go with which of the watch face. As you can see, you can change the brightness as well from auto to 1 to 5. It's totally up to you. I will go with auto, and then you can select the do not disturb option. You can just switch it on or you can schedule it depending on your choice. Once you select the schedule, you will get the start and end time, then you can select as well. And then there is system information. You can restart, power off or reset the device. And then the last option is the about. Here you can have a look on the information of your Honor Watch Magic. So this is how you can configure and set up your Honor Watch Magic smartwatch using the Huawei Health application and also right from your smartwatch. So thanks for watching this video friends. If you like this, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.